how to fix GTA 5 error. There has been an error joining a session. Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix the GTA 5 error that says, there has been an error joining a session. This is a super simple fix, but make sure to stick around till the end so you don't miss any crucial steps. First, go to your Windows search bar and type Network Connections. Open it up. Right-click on your active connection, either Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Select Properties. Now double-click on Internet Protocol version 4TCP/EB4. And instead of obtaining DNS automatically, use the following DNS server addresses. In the first box, type 1.1.1.1. In the second box, 1.0.0.1. Click OK. Close all the windows, and then restart your computer. Once your system boots up again, open up the Rockstar Games launcher or Steam, launch GTA 5, and try joining a session. The error should be gone. And there you go. If this helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick fixes. Thanks for watching.